Alright, we're changing the O2 sensor on a 2010 Dodge Charger. First thing you want to do, obviously, is disconnect your battery. As you can see, we disconnect the battery right there. Already jacked it up. So we're gonna be working on bank 1, sensor 1, and bank 1, sensor 2. Alright, so that's bank 1, sensor 2 right there at the bottom. That's downstream, right side, passenger side, downstream. As you can see, actually I already installed it, but I wanted to come back and do the video because at the time I was doing the work I didn't have my phone on. But that's bank 1, sensor 2, downstream, passenger side. This is the front of the motor. As you can see, this is bank 1, sensor 1. You see it right there. If I can zoom in on it, that's it right there. It's kind of hard to get to it from the top, so I went into it from the bottom, and I'll show you real quick. But that's bank 1, sensor 1, 3.5 liter. Let me zoom out. Dodge Charger, front of the motor. So obviously this will be bank 2 on this side, driver's side, left side. Coming from the position of sitting inside the vehicle, left side, and this is the right side, sitting inside of the vehicle, which is obviously the passenger side. All right, let me just show you real quick what we did. Let me go up under here real quick. The wrench that I used, I didn't use the, let me get positioned here. I didn't use the actual socket, so I just used a wrench for it because I didn't have the one that was needed for. Let me zoom out, see if I can. As you can see, so this is bank 1, sensor 2, downstream, below the catalytic converter, as you can see. And let me go on up. Let me see if I can show you guys this one. That's it. This is one we got. This is upstream. This is bank 1, sensor 1. As you can see, I already installed that one as well. Would have been a little too hard for me to actually record myself doing it and actually doing it because it was tough. And there's the hookup right above there. You can see the hookup, the clamp. And this is the bottom. All right, 2010 Dodge Charger, 3.5 liter, upstream right here, bank 1, sensor 1, and downstream below the catalytic converter, right side, bank 1, sensor 2. All right, guys, Travar Hardy, aka Mr. ATL Wholesaler. Just doing a quick video. I helped my son put these on real quick, the O2 sensors. So I helped him do that, and I could not find a video or a diagram that showed bank 1, sensor 1, bank 1, sensor 2. I found a couple of them, but it was real tough. I had to do a lot of research. Even the people at the parts store couldn't even tell us exactly which side they were on, so that we could make the repairs. They didn't even know exactly which side specifically. So did a little research and we figured it out, and I just thought I'd do a quick video to show you guys how to do it. Again, you're gonna use a 7/8 socket or wrench it, whatever you decide to do, 7/8. All right, and I'll show you the one I use if I can get up and show it to you. But that's bank 1, sensor 2, bank 1, sensor 1. I already done both of them, me and my son, and just want to do a quick video for someone else that may be looking to do it as we did, but could not get it, could not find it. But that's the deal. Let me see if I can show you the tool that I actually use. No, that is that. Let me see here. And But anyway, it's 7/8. This is going to use for 7/8. I don't see where I put it at, but that's what you guys are going to use for it. Let me see, maybe it is over here and all. A little mess. Yep, here we go. This is the one that we use. Yep. This is what we use right there. All right, guys, so this is my old school tool crate that my daddy gave me. So rest in peace, Pop. Continue to rest in peace. So that's why I kept that old crate tool box that was given, so it's sentimental. But anyway, bank 1 sensor 1, guys. Bank 1 sensor 2 is below where you see this one at. That's the top, above the catalytic converter, right side upstream. The one that I showed you a few minutes ago at the bottom, below the catalytic converter, is downstream. Bank 1 sensor 2 downstream on the right side. Bank 1 sensor 1 upstream, right side, passenger side of the vehicle. And this would be obviously bank 2 side. All right, guys, catch you guys in the next video. Tomorrow, heard it, aka Mr. ATL Wholesaler. Just with a quick tip, help somebody out. 2010 Dodge Charger.